Magandang tanghali, kamusta po nating mantiyan? Wala pang sama ng panahon at may low pressure area next week at maulan Southern Visayas at Mindanao. Wind forecast na po tayo. At next week, may mamaon ng low pressure area.